Have you ever wondered why some people radiate confidence, charm, and success while others struggle with self doubt? The secret lies not in luck or genetics but in psychological techniques that can reshape your personality. Your personality isn't fixed, it can evolve. By understanding and applying proven psychological strategies, you can completely transform yourself into a more charismatic, confident, and resilient individual. Here are 5 powerful ways to do it. Rewire your thinking with cognitive reframing. The way you perceive situations directly impacts your reactions, emotions, and behaviors. Cognitive reframing is a powerful psychological technique that helps you shift negative thoughts into positive or neutral ones. Instead of thinking, I always fail at everything, reframe it as every failure is a lesson for future success. This simple shift changes how your brain processes challenges, reducing stress and boosting resilience. With consistent practice, you'll notice a significant transformation in how you approach life and interact with others. Develop unshakable confidence with the power pose. Did you know that your body language affects your mindset? Studies in psychology reveal that standing in a power pose, like standing tall with your hands on your hips, for just 2 minutes can increase confidence and reduce stress hormones. When you project confidence, others perceive you as more competent and charismatic. Start practicing positive body language, like maintaining eye contact, using open gestures, and avoiding slouched posture. The more you embody confidence, the more it becomes a natural part of your personality. Master emotional intelligence to control your reactions. Your personality is not just about how you act but how you react. People with high emotional intelligence, EQ, manage emotions effectively, stay calm under pressure, and handle conflicts smoothly. To develop EQ, start by observing your emotional triggers and practicing mindfulness. When faced with criticism, instead of reacting impulsively, pause and respond thoughtfully. Over time, this self-awareness will help you become more composed, approachable, and respected in social and professional settings. Adopt a growth mindset to keep evolving. People with fixed mindsets believe they are stuck with their current traits, while those with a growth mindset believe they can improve through effort and learning. The key to transforming your personality is embracing challenges rather than avoiding them. If you struggle with social anxiety, instead of thinking, I'm just an introvert, tell yourself, I can develop social skills through practice. This shift in mindset will boost your motivation, help you overcome limitations, and open doors to new opportunities. Use behavioral conditioning to reinforce positive traits. Your habits define your personality. By applying behavioral psychology techniques, you can condition yourself to develop desirable traits. Start by rewarding yourself for positive behaviors. For example, if you successfully initiate a conversation, treat yourself to something you enjoy. Similarly, eliminate bad habits by associating them with negative consequences. This form of self-conditioning trains your brain to naturally adopt behaviors that align with the personality you want to cultivate.